Hello guys, welcome to Dan's IT Network. So let's continue subnetting, okay? Well, on my previous video, we were able to create two networks, all right, subnetted, and each has a 10 hosts, correct? And we did use this IP address, the 192.168.1.0/24. And now it's time for us to create a subnet network, all right? And each network should have a 60 hosts each, okay? And we need to use the same IP address, which is the /24, okay? So let's get started. All right, so over here this is the IP address that we need to
Low
use,
battery.
and
Please
I
charge.
already put down the /26 in here, okay? And also the subnet mask. But don't worry though, okay? I will explain everything, okay? What is going on over here, okay? So our goal is to create a 60 host, right? So going back, we need to create 60 hosts in here and another 60 hosts in here, okay? So that's our goal, okay? And we need to use this IP address, correct? Okay, so since we need a 60 hosts, we need to look onto this pattern, all right? This pattern. So do you think this 32 can suffice the needs of the 60? Well, it's not, right? Because it's not enough. How about this 128? Well, we can use 128, but it's it's more than actually. It's
Low
if you'll
battery.
come to take a
Please
look at the
charge.
number, it's not practical. It's too much, all right, for the 60 hosts to have this 128, so it's not practical, right? Well, our goal in here is to choose the closest one, okay? So which is the 64, all right? So by selecting this 64, then we therefore identify that this is the magic number, the 64, because the 64 can suffice the needs of the 60 hosts, and it's the closest one. All right, so magic number is 64. Okay, this is important. And then if we will look onto the binary, okay, so on this portion, okay, which is from 1 up to 128, if we will match this number, okay, to this portion, we do know that this is the 128, right? And this is the 64. So since the
Low
magic number is
battery.
64,
Please charge.
okay, we highlight this one. So what will happen is um, all of the numbers starting here on the 64 going to the left, okay, they will all become, they should be all ones, all right? And then to the right, okay, they should be all zero, okay? That's the pattern, all right? It's the 64, okay? And then how did I get this? The subnet mask. Supposedly, this is the subnet mask that we need to use if we are on the /26, okay, /26, okay. And by adding this number, all right, the 128 and the 64, all right, so 128 plus 64, which is on this portion only, okay, because this is the 255, this is the 255, and another 255. So we just need to add this all
Low
ones, just the
battery.
one, all
Please
right,
charge.
on this portion. And if we will add this using this pattern, okay, 128 plus 64 is equals to 192. That is why um, we got this number 192, okay. And why it is /26, it's because if we will count the binary, okay, the ones only, okay, from left, okay, it is total of 26. All right, so let's count. This is 8, and then this is 16, okay, and then a 24, all right, and then 24, and then 25, 26. Right, so that is why it's on the /26, okay. So well, just do the shortcut, right? But say, if you'll try to count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26.
Low
Okay,
battery. Please
got
charge.
it? All right. So now it's time for us now to create a two networks, okay? And they should have 60 hosts each. So how are we going to do that? Well, on my previous tutorial is we already created a network that suffice the 10 hosts, okay? So in here, first thing that we need to do is we need to identify what is the available uh, network that we can use. What is the next one, next available? Okay, so we cannot use this network anymore because they are already registered in here, and we cannot use this though, right? So but we can use the 32 because this is the next IP address after the broadcast IP address, which is on this network. So if I'll write this 32 as 192.168.1.32,
Low battery.
okay,
Please
is if
charge.
you'll try to look for a combination on this IP address on all of this, you will not be able to find, right? It is because it only covers the 16 up to 31, which is here. All right, so this is 70 to 30, and the broadcast IP address is up to 31. So the next available, okay, IP address that we can use then is the dot 32, and we can use this as a network IP address. All right, so we can use this on our next goal. All right, which is our next goal is to create a 60 host. All right, so let's um let's write this down as 32. Okay, so this 32 is this is what we'll be using then. All right, and since the magic number is 64, as I mentioned to you, if we got here if we identify then the magic number 64, then the network should go up
Low
by
battery.
64.
Please
Okay,
charge.
so this is the start, the 32. Okay, and I'll add let's say 32 plus 64. Next network that we can use then is the 96. All right, and then let's add another one. All right, so 96 plus 64 again, 160. Okay, all right, so definitely is we got here this is one network, two network, and a three network, but we will not be using this three network though. Well, I just showed you on how we can create another network. Okay, let's say if we want three, four, all right, we can do that though. All right, so let's put the IP address that we need on this network then. Okay, so by then we can easily identify that the broadcast IP address then on this network would be before this 96, right? So it should be the 95.
Low battery.
All right,
Please charge.
and in here the broadcast IP address will be then the 159. All right, so let's write down the IP address then so that um, you will not get confused. Okay, right. So the network IP address that we can use in here now in the network, all right, I'm talking about the network IP address should be 192.168.1.32. Okay, because it's the start 32. Okay, so this will be then the um, network IP. Okay, and then what are the available hosts that we can use? Well, the first usable host that we can use on this network then is 192.168.1.33, okay, which is up to, let's say, um, up to 94, okay, 94, definitely should be 94.
Low battery. Please charge.
Why? Why it is 94? Well, it's because we cannot use 95. It's because this would be then the broadcast IP address. And as I mentioned to you on my previous tutorial is we cannot use the broadcast IP address as an available host. Okay, so we can put in here 94 then, up to 94, right? And this will be then the available host that we can use. Okay, and let me write down then the broadcast IP address. It should be 95, of course. Okay, so this is the broadcast broadcast IP. Okay, and the subnet mask that we need to use is this one. Okay, the 255.255.255.192.
Low battery.
Let me
Please
just copy
charge.
this. Just make it easy, right? And let me just paste it. I'm sorry, I'll paste it here. So this will be then the subnet mask. All right. So this is the subnet mask. So we are all right. Well, I I forgot the dot in here. I'm sorry. All right. So that's it. Let's double check. So 192.168.1.32, which is the network, and then from 33 up to 94. Okay, it's the available host, and then the broadcast IP address should be the last. All right, and the subnet mask that we need to use is the dot 192. Okay, so let's proceed on the next network. Right, so we will be then using this 96. Right, and well, let us remove the 60 then because we don't need this anymore. Okay, we just
Low
showed you
battery.
how to create
Please
a
charge.
another network though, but we are not required to create another one. All right, so and this one, let's do the same thing. All right, so can you guess what is the network IP address on this part? Okay, well, it's 192.168.1.96. Okay, definitely this should be the network IP address. Okay, I'll put it here. Well, it's the same thing. Let me just copy this. All right, I'll make it easy. All right, and then next, so what are the available hosts? Can you guess? All right, I'll put here 192.168.1. Okay, definitely the first usable host on this network is 97. Okay, so up to, should I put 159? Well, no, right? Because this is the broadcast IP. So I'll put then 158. Oh, sorry.
Low battery.
Okay,
Please
158. All right,
charge.
and let me move this then. So this will be then um, the available host that we can use from 97 up to 158. And we can now easily identify that the broadcast IP address is the last host on the network, 192.168.1.159. Okay, so this is the broadcast IP. Okay, that's it. And definitely we'll be using the same subnet mask since it's on the magic number, which is the 64. Okay, so I'll write this down. There you go. So 192. So this is on the magic 64, meaning if it's a magic number 64 is the network goes up by 64, and this one portion is on the magic number 16. Okay,
Low
and
battery.
you notice
Please
that the
charge.
subnet masks are different. Okay, so this is on the 192, this is on the 240. Okay, all right, and it will go back to the network design. So we successfully our job is done in here. We're finishing doing this network for 10 hosts each, and we are also finishing doing this one, which is 60 hosts each. So it's time to go now on the this one. The I'm sorry, I move it again. Okay, the okay the 1,000 hosts. Okay,